that we have learned something about the F string. So I said that we must continue F string, but I have decided to skip F string method because it's enough for you, and we are not going too deeply. We are covering our topic. Not deeply, uh, but on the upper side. Okay, today we are teach you function. What is function? Okay, the definition of you can say the functions are a subprogram. Okay, which are used to compute the value of a perform task. There are two types of function mainly. One is built-in function and the other one is the user-defined function. Okay, so functions are easy to create, easy to manage, and its reusability, its maintenance is very easy, and it divides large tasks into small tasks. You can remove and add features. So basically, the functions are very very important and very very must in the Python in the field of Python programming or any other programming. So you have to master it so you can use these. Okay, so let's start with our syntax. So let's say it start from the keyword def. This is the reserve keyword of the in Python library. Okay, so here you can write the function name, okay, and it start after the semicolon, which would we have to create a parenthesis and delete that and this. Okay, so we can now write this was upper was the heading and now this is the body. Okay, so any function you have to call it for run. You have to call it, so we are calling this by typing that name, function name. Okay, so now we will run that. Definitely will print that we ask him to print it. Okay, so you can see here that it print it hello. This is a function. So that's all. Yes, this is function. Yes, that's so much easy. That's by this way of this you can create your own programs. Yeah, yes, absolutely. You can create basic Python project like any beginner can make, like you calculator. So I am not here building the calculator. If you comment me and tell me, so definitely I will create for you. No issue. So for the I example, we will create here a function called adding. Okay, add which uh, definition add. Okay, def key add. We are here giving a function. Okay, now x is equal to, I am giving him the number, and y is equal to 12. Okay, and z is equal to okay, q is equal to x plus y. Okay, and we will print. This is the one way of creating function. But with your creativity, you can create your own style. You can manage it. You can reduce it. You can more expand this code. Do creativity. This is due to the creativity. So I am the beginner. I am the learner. So that's why I am uh, using that method. But there are other several and smart method which I insist you to learn, please, and kindly share with me in the comments box, or you make your own lecture or program and then share me. I will watch and learn from you. So let's jump to the topic because the video is going to be very very lengthy. So I have tell you that we have to call the function for this. This will definitely run and should be output is 22. let's run, or yes, this is the output is 22. So you can make it, divide it here, you can write it, sorry, multiply it here, divide it here, and this is, and you can subtract it here. So for subtract, we have to y minus x, and let's see what is the value will be in the negative, because we, oh sorry, and positive also, that is 2. So that is the function. So in the next video, stay tuned with me. I will try to teach you that how to call the function. So I hope you know the basic concept of global variable and local variable. So it's also very easy, and you learn from yourself, because it's not necessary. Thank you for watching. Meet you.